What's up, y'all? We back with another one. Finna go meet up with Shacombs fishing. Big Kev. Maybe Kev's cousin, Tyree. Coming through Napa now. Finna see if we can get out here and get us some. You know, we gotta do what we gotta do to get out here and get them. Know the slogan. But anyway, yeah, we about to go meet up with them. See if we can go hit some of these striper today. I'll see y'all when we get out there. There go the bridge, y'all. We about to hit the bridge. We're almost to the spot. Here to the spot. It's already hella cars here. Kev said he'll be here soon. So, like I said, we better see out here if we can get out here and get them.
Yeah, but you dropped everything on the ground. Yeah.
I get it.
Now I can get my little bit of video on, you feel me?
Oh my gosh.
Who did that?
He did that.
No, she walked by and it fell down.
Oh, earthquake?
She was digging in his backpack and
Hey, are
it
you trying
magically
to say
fell
that
over.
I'm heavyweight? Heavyweight earthquake.
Again with the orange rod, huh? I told y'all we was gonna get out here and get them. We gotta do what we gotta do to get out here and get them. That's my slogan. You gotta do what you gotta do to get out there and get them.
Right.
By all means.
Uncle, did you bring some donuts today? I got little cuties right here. Yeah.
Drop that chalk to her.
No more area. No more. No more. No more space. Open. Here,
Unless you gonna walk all the way down and there's some little cuts into the gate.
How far? Oh, by the yellow, you have a gate to go through?
We out here. Huh?
There is another gate open down there.
Yeah, way down there.
Okay, good luck.
The fish hooked itself. Yeah, we gonna put some WD-40 on it.
We already had 2 hits.
I made mom her own channel.
Fluid mechanic.
No, we have 3 hits.
He say you are too slow. He's gonna need to put the W40 on your joint.
Oh, W40, not like grease.
That's what
He
Anderson
said
said.
Grease better.
he said you don't run fast enough for your rod, so he's gonna have to put some grease in. Balloon, okay, high. Is it a keeper?
I don't know.
Your line, babe. We might be crossed.
That's mom.
You might be crossed.
Might be crossed.
Yep, we all.
Low five. Low five. Low five.
When I first got here, as soon as I got here too, the little dude at the end was reeling one in. As soon as I got here, his pole went down. Boom.
Hey, we're the loudest group. Remember that. The annoying group.
We the fishing outlaws. The fishing outlaws. We're out here. We ain't catch none yet, but we only caught 1 or 2, but one keeper. Everybody out here. There go teacher. There go Kev. Big fishing and his cousin Tyreek. My wife, my daughter, Anna, and some teachers, fans. We all out here.
Can't get worse. In his deep water. You said he gonna knock him out in the 8th round.
Most likely, too. About the 8th, 9th, he going down. 100%. That mine. Her thing here got one.
It's a baby.
It's a baby.
Looks like the same one. Keep running.
Oh, it's stuck. Oh, fuck, it's stuck.
Got another one.
A little one.
I just put this out there, too. That's all them night crawlers.
Like Frola bring you small fish too, huh? At least you got some action, right?
That's it. That's all that matters.
There, you got a little mini one again. Like, you will get the big one soon. Napa River too, but over there on the other side, it's called
He's bleeding. I can see the blood.
Damn, I can't even get mine out. Callie got her one.
Oh, baby. She's stuck.
He stuck?
Yeah.
God damn. I can't never get to it. Let's have the battle of the small ones. Who caught the biggest small one?
Battle of the baby fishes.
Yeah, who caught the biggest small one?
Hi, Jordan. Hi, Jordan. Welcome back.
Money.
I do.
I think your size better than Kevin, baby. You got him beat. Hey, you want to measure it?
Let's do it. Let's see if I got him beat by an inch.
Put him on the table.
Break it down. Flat it down.
Where's that? You going?
Oh, I threw him already back.
Oh, okay.
Oh, shit.
We're gonna have a battle on the next ones. I'm pretty sure they'd be back. My setup. You think you know what you're doing?
I've been fishing since 8 years old.
You only 10.
So 2 years.
2 years. He's not long. Isn't there like 260 days in a year?
No, it's 365. 365 days in a year.
Huh?
365 days in a year.
Well, we call 4 stripers but no keepers. All babies. I want to come check out y'all lunch.
striped bass, rotisserie, carbs. Yep,
Yeah.
that's what it is. See the sauce for the fish. That's the
Try it, baby.
I love the
lime,
rice.
lime.
The rice, the sticky rice.
And garlic, peppers, and the cilantro herbs that I put in here. The plain striped bass fry to go with that dip.
You like that?
Hi.
I try to cook the rice.
Are you trying to cook the rice?
I can never get it like that.
Oh, you want to try it?
It ain't. The brand is not Jasmine, huh?
It don't have to be jasmine. Any rice can cook. You have to soak it. No, you don't have to soak it. This
Yeah.
is regular rice.
That's not right.
Cause my wife, she be trying to cook it, but we just can't get it right.
You put the certain amount of water. Like if you want to put 1 cup of water, 1 cup of rice. The corn cans. You put about this much water from the above the rice.
Babe, you need to come over here and take lessons so you can make my rice the way I want it.
I show you. I take a short video and send it directly to you.
I don't like white rice. It's
Not white rice?
No, I like sticky rice.
Oh, the sticky rice is different. You have to steam it.
Yeah.
You just steam rice. Here, some more.
Is it ready according?
I said we gotta do what we gotta do to get out here and get him. He got him one. My first one. My first keeper. I always caught them little ones. This the first one I get to go home with. Get that. You gotta grab one right here. In between the mouth and underneath it. You gotta hold it tight. You
I
gotta go.
can't grab it. He has teeth.
No, he don't. They're like sandpaper.
Let me see, Kelly.
Grab it.
Grab it.
Go over there. Put it down.
See?
Yeah.
You can?
Yep, go ahead. That's what I brought it for everybody to use. I'm gonna have to ask him where he caught him at so I can go paddle out around. Go take that kayak and paddle around. Huh? I get it, yeah. Teacher caught him another one. When we out here, we finna go back down the way. See if we can go hook up on something down there. We got us a keeper. Going down here because everybody, we all getting stuck. Our lines keep getting crossed and tangled. Plus, heading back this way, a little bit closer to the car. And I think everybody that was in these fishing spots went home, so they have a little bit more fishing room for ourselves. But man, I had a blast and had fun and enjoyed myself today, even if I didn't catch nothing. Boy, we was out here. We got him one. We gotta do what we gotta do to get out here and get him. We got him. So let's go see what we gonna do over here. Good luck to you. All right, y'all, we out of here. Thanks y'all for tuning in to this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. We came out here, we did it. We accomplished what we came out here to accomplish. And yeah, I want to shout out to Chacombs Fishing, Teacher, and Annie, Big Cat Fishing, Tyreek, Paul. Oh yeah, we out.
Yeah.